What's up, everybody? Appreciate you all for joining the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. I'm here for what? I'm here to take a look at the market and say, hey, this is my setup, this is my strategy. Once I see it, there we go. I go ahead and execute my plan. So, what is our plan, right? Our plan is to essentially identify where the supply and demand is. That is our strategy. Right now, we're looking at SPY. Before we even think about trading, the market just opened right now. It's within the first, 5 minutes of opening the market. We're gonna go ahead and go to the pre-market right here, action, pre-market price action, identify the price, identify the demand and supply. How do we do that? Well, we do that by looking at wicks. Candle wicks are information. All right, take a look at this here, right? Price came down and what happened right after? It got immediately picked up. So this right here is a nice, beautiful wick. We go ahead and mark that level. Here's another wick right here. Here's another wick right here, right? So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Duplicate this. All right, cool. Here we go. This is a nice wick right here. Beautiful opening here for Tesla, for SPY and as well as Tesla. So there we go. These are the spots right here. And by the way, this these levels with the with this color, purple looking color, that's like the daily support. That's like the daily. So these are also really major levels. Right now, I'm primarily just focused on the pre-market actions. All right. This is also a good spot. Look at this wick right here. It came here and it rejected it and went right back up. And this is also supported by here. So this is a good spot. It's a good spot, right? So as we can see right now, SPY is just doing its thing right now, right? And our plan right now is to try to identify where is it likely to reverse. Where is it likely to have a reaction? What do you guys think? Take a look at this spot right here. Do you think when the price comes, is right now is reaching that level, what do you think is going to happen once the price comes to this level? What happened last time, right? So yes, of course, we're going to trade that. Of course, we're going to trade this level. Go ahead and duplicate this real quick. Trying to mark it like right here. If the price were to reach within this zone, I'm going to go ahead and place a put. That's what we're going to be doing. If we get that level, we're going to go ahead and do that. Why? Take a look at this, guys. Look at this, right? Wick. Who's over here right now? Sellers are there. So the wick's on top, so sellers are there. So let's see if we can get a put opportunity, and we're gonna go ahead and execute. We'll go ahead and prepare that real quick for here we go. All right, got SPY selected. Cool. We're looking to trade put SPY. And yeah, once it gets to our red area, red spot. See that red spot? Oh my goodness, I can't even see the red spot. Oh wow. All right, so I have to view it like this for a little bit. We'll still got some little gaps for me to be comfortable to enter. Can we still enter here? I mean, think about it. I mean, we can't certainly. This is where it's currently at right now. Can we enter at least a little bit here just to see? There is a wick there, but right now it's still pretty strong. So I want to see if it's actually gonna. If I start to see like wicks, right here. You see right here, and I'm starting to see a wick right here, then maybe I'll enter. But I do want to see if we're going to pass this. But right now, we're still seeing some wicks. So I could enter here just lightly, Go ahead and do that because the wick is getting pretty strong. I went ahead and did that. Just entered one contract. I want to see if it's going to get picked up again. All right. Not too bad. It's getting pushed right now, so maybe I might have to enter again. Maybe that was too soon to enter two already. So why did I enter a little too soon? Because remember we said that we're gonna enter what when it gets to that red spot. Because look where the red is at. Red is more higher probability that it's likely gonna push back down. All right. Here's why I did that. So right now the price is currently right here. The price is what? Currently right here. So I took a chance right here. Ideally, I was trying to wait until it gets to at least as close as it can to get to here. All right. And so that's why I'm just taking a light put. Right now it's retracing really nicely. So we could probably enter right now as we get into that level. Oops. Wow. So look, the wick is still there. The wick is there, right? There's a wick right here. Look what happened when the price came here. The effect is starting to happen. So I went ahead and entered that spot. See what happens here. Can we get a reversal all the way back down to the VWAP? I can go ahead and take a little bit of profit off the ground, and then we'll see what happens here. I'm expecting a little bit of a reversal before we continue rallying up. All right, here we go. If it doesn't happen, that's okay. We're gonna maintain this put until we get to that spot. Right now, the price it is getting picked up. It is getting. Look at this. Right, price came down. It's getting picked up. Right now, sellers have shown their what's it called? Have shown their mark that hey, we are here. Look at this week, right? We are here when we're ready to push the price down. And buyers are saying, okay, cool. If you push it down, we're gonna push it right back up. So who's gonna win right now? That's what's going on. Who's gonna win right now? Right now, I'm in the side of the sellers right now, just because the risk to reward ratio is on my favor. And what is that, you may ask? Glad you asked, bro. All right, glad you asked. Here we go. I'm gonna explain it again. All right, cool. So the risk to reward ratio is this, right? If I were to buy a call right now, what's my reward? My reward is what? It's probably gonna move up to this here, and it may reach. So there's a small profit potential here to here. It's like, all right, but what's my reward if I go on the other side? Put. Look at the potential gap down that we have, you know? So we're 11% up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take clear one out real quick because we're approaching the VWAP possible reversal, right? It's a VWAP possible reversal right now happening. What I mean by that is like it could be possible that the price comes to the VWAP and then retrace right back up. And that's exactly what happened. There's a reaction here. That's why I just decided to pull at least one off. So to avoid having this too many lines, let's just have let's make it simple, right? Make your chart simple. Let's just have the VWAP. I don't think we need anything else outside of that. I'm pretty light here. I would have love to, at least enter with 4 contract and then sell 2 here. Ideally, that would have been the ideal. But again, it is the first few minutes of the market opening, so it's better to be cautious. So we sit back, we relax. We know what we're doing. We know what we're doing. All right. We know exactly what we're doing. Can I sell this one contract? I would love to sell this one contract if it comes all the way back, break the VWAP. I want to see it break below the VWAP, and so then I can really profit from that. All right. So this is where the price is at right now. This is the area where it's at right now, and that's why I'm selling here. Right. Previously, price came back down and buyers pushed that up, and now this spot right here, because price is below it. So guess who's in control now at this spot? Sellers are. So when the price is coming here, it's gonna have a similar effect as this likely. Again, trading is probability, it likely would. And this whole area, I think it's right now controlled by sellers until buyers get great strength. I don't think it's gonna happen right now. It's probably gonna be first push down, maybe to this level, and then maybe a rally up. It might do that. We'll see what happens. So far, we're doing very, very well. We're already 20% up with the amount of money we already have in. I just want to see if we're going to break here. I don't want to sell this. I want to see if we're going to break here. If we break here, go to this level, I will sell. But if we don't and just rally back up, that's fine. I'll go ahead and close the position with break even. And that's okay. That's all right. That's all right. I want to see this break. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. Okay. This is very common, by the way, right? Coming to the VWAP and reacting, very common. And I'm willing to hold through it because I only have one contract in place. I want to see if it's going to happen. All right, cool. Wow. Could also got in on Tesla too. Nice break on the VWAP. Nice, beautiful break on the VWAP. Look at that. We got to that level I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and cool one off. All right, we went ahead and took some money off here. We didn't make much money. I would have loved to, at least enter with my regular size and essentially really call it a day for the day with this position, really, to be honest. All right, cool. Hey, we still got to be grateful. All right. So, did I sell too early? Yeah, look at that. I mean, again, had I had my regular size, like maybe like four, sure, I would have sold two here, maybe then one here, and see if the other one I can sell here. Sure, I would have probably done something like that. But I did go ahead and sold my position because I am following my rule. I just happened to have, less. My position was not just my regular size. That's really what I'm disappointed of. Not, not my selling points. The question is, where are we gonna buy? Can we buy here? Yeah, we actually could buy here. Yeah, it is a spot. I prefer to. Well, I would like to buy here, but before I do that, I want to see a wick. I want to see that buyer shot there. I want to see hint of buyers stepping in before I just get in. It's a nice spot, though. I'm not gonna lie. Could certainly get in at least one contract and see a potential reaction. Here we go. I went in and got in for a potential reaction here. Oops. Oh my goodness, I got on the wrong side of the trade. There we go. Yeah, that was bad. I got on the wrong side of the trade. I gave a little bit. All right, I'm gonna see if we're gonna get a quick reaction off this bounce here. Just curious. If we don't, it's fine. I'll just go ahead and get out. But my plan is to buy right here because this is clearly a spot. All right, cool. It's breaking it, so I'm gonna go ahead and prepare. This is just a test to see if that level's pretty strong. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. We're giving a little bit of our money. That's fine. This is just a curiosity test to see if we're gonna bounce. I probably should have waited at least to see a wick, and then maybe get in like right now. Sure. All right, we got the reaction. All right, cool. All right, we're just gonna take this. It's fine. Again, this is not the spot that I'm trying to buy anyway, so I'm trying to buy it around here. So I didn't mind just to kind of see if we can to see if this reaction will be there, and it is there. That's really nice, actually. Really, really nice. All right. I think we're likely gonna go here, and I do want to buy here. Because take a look here, right? Price came here and rejected it. Once he came back, only one above it, boom, this happened. So this is a beautiful spot to get in, and that's kind of what I'm trying to bank on. Okay, let's take a look at Tesla in the meantime. While we wait for that, let's just take a look at Tesla. How was Tesla doing? All right. Had a reversal, right? Look at this spot. Could you have known this? What's gonna happen? Let's find out. Let's look at it. Why there was a reaction? Oh, look at that. Ding 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 ding. Look what happened here, right? Price came here and rejected it. What happened when he came back another time? This is expected, right? I would have probably not entered here because I would like to see a long wick here to really see if it's a really strong spot where it will reverse. So let me see, there is that. Oh yeah, there is. Look at that. All right, cool, cool. Yeah, I would have definitely, look at this right here. You guys see this? Yeah, this wick right here. That's why that reversal happened, right? That is why. Yes, I would have definitely entered there for a put. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But it's fine. We were in that position and we were not focused on it, and so therefore we missed it. It's all right. It's all right. This is also another spot right here that we could definitely enter here. Actually, we actually could enter here for Tesla. This is a nice spot, actually. Yeah, we could. I'm gonna go ahead and look into entering Tesla, guys. It's looking juicy. Okay. As long as we're seeing wick here, I'm fine. But yeah, I'm willing to continue putting more position in here. This is the high of the day, previous mark. The pre-market high is right here, and on top of, right here, we supported with the wick. I'm willing to see if we're gonna move up or not. That's something I'm curious on. We did ended up with a wick here, so I do want to see a continued move up. If we don't, I'll continue to buy here. And if we start to move below it, that's fine. I'll go ahead and call my L. and respect my island and go home. That's all you gotta do, guys. There's nothing else you can do here. Right? Trading is probability. Trading is probability of one thing happening over another, and we're just simply following our strategy. We know where these spots are. These are major spots, and it's also supported by the VWAP, and that's why we are buying it. That is why we are what? We are buying it. Okay, we're up 5% already on this move up. 11%. All right, cool. Let's take some money. Let's take some money off the ground. Let's take some money. Let's take some money here. I want to sell the other one right here. That would be really nice. If I can sell the other one right here, it'd be great. We can get a move up, but I just want to go ahead and add to my deli real quick. We'll likely get a reversal here, to be honest. Take a look here. This is the spot right here. We could potentially get a pushback down. And that's probably the struggle that's happening right now. We're seeing a wick on the top. Buyers needs to clear this wick in order for us to move any further up. Let's see what's going to happen here. We're doing pretty well so far. All right, we are moving up nicely, actually. Pretty well, pretty well. There we go. Can we see if I start to see a wick again, I'll just go ahead and sell it. But we'll see what happens here. I think buyers wants to clear that wick. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm trying to sell it up here as much as we can get close. If it's struggling, I just get out. But I think we're going to clear it. We are clearing it here. We are really clearing it. Come on, clear it. I better not see no wick. Come on, buyers. Don't allow sellers to push it down. Let's go. Nice job, buyers. I'm proud of you guys. Really, really am. $100. We'll take it. We'll just take it. I know I sold too early. This is not right of me. I know I sold too. I repeat, I sold too early. All right. I know I did. I just want to take the money real quick. It's selling early. All right. It is selling early. I just want to take the money. All right. I just want to do quick scalping. I am feeling guilty the fact that I took this money pretty fast. I'm not gonna lie. Right. That's that. So we're already up $100 just like that, just by a mere understanding of understanding where the wicks are. Right. And the wicks are identification of supply and demand. Did I just say that? I hope you guys understood that. Forget all the YouTubers that'll be like, if you want to know where the price action is at, you must look at over here. The price reverse right here, so you have to put. Okay, maybe I'm not good at with that accent. I'm not sure what accent it actually is too, but you get the idea, right? They'd be like making it all complicated, and look, the price reverse all the way here, so you have to put the right here, which is, I get it, but not all spots are gonna react like that, right? The same spot the price came and reacted it, and then when it comes back down, it pushes it down. So what differentiates one where it does that, but then when it comes back down, it moves up? What differentiates it? Wicks, right? The candle wicks. They are communication. All right. Cool. That's an important lesson I want to say. Why are we getting this wick? There's a reason. What did I say? There's a reason. There's a reason right now the price is trying to struggle clearing here. Why is that? You guys already know because you guys are watching HRT here. All right, I'll tell you why. We've already said it. Look. Ding, 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 ding. Look right here. This is where the price is at right now. And look at these wicks right here. Therefore, according to your scientific calculation, this is why the price is reversing. Right? This is why the price is reversing. So we're already up $110. My goal is to, my daily accomplishment is what? It's $120 a day. I'll go ahead and secure this money, just put it in the bag. Because I've reached my, nearly 120 for the day, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I do have to respect my rules. $120 a day. For this next 2 months, if I'm consistent to that 120 a day, anything near 120, I'll go ahead and accept it. I'll just put it into the W, right? And let's say I'll make the difference. Right now it's 109. I get it. I'll make the difference between another trade where I'll make more than 120, and that it'll just scrap that difference. Trading is probability, guys. Don't try to chase the little thing right now. Imagine right now I enter a trade I'm already up 109. I'm trying to get to 120. Now I'm risking 109. I don't need to do that. I'm going to go ahead and grab this 120 and put it into my W for the day, and then end the week with a really good trading day for the week. Keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that, and watch what happens to you. Right? Watch what happens to you. And there we go. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. I hope that you guys have found this very beneficial. With that all said, HRT out.